kiddos, and welcome back to Fun Drawings with Tanu Auntie. And today we are going to do Chota Sa Bheem. So to do the Chota Sa Bheem, what we do is we put two dots, okay? Oh, let me start it from a little bit up position. Can you see the two dots? After you do the two dots, what you need to do is just a wangdu. And after you do a wangdu, you have to make a shendi. Okay, after you make this shendi, children, make a lattu like that. Okay, after you make a lattu like that, see, I have gone here, then taken a turn and come down. Actually, my come down is a little wrong. It has to be, because this will be the face, so it has to be aise, thoda bada sa. And from here also you come down. Okay, after you come down, what you need to do is from this part you have to come down here, and from this part you have to come down here. So this will be the head, a U, then a shendi, then you have to make this come down, and then you have to rejoin. After this, what you're going to do is take a turn, make the cheek and come here. After that, what you need to do is just make the ears. Okay, understood, children? After this, since this is one ear, the other ear has to be here, correct? Has to be here. This, he's become a little chubby. I cannot take any chance, so let's make it a little waklu. So this is done. After this is done, see, children, be from here, somewhere from here and here, one, and then here, this is a chubby part, so here. Okay, we have made two inverted U's. After making the two inverted U's, we make the big eyes, and after making the big eyes, we make the small nargundus. Okay, we make the small nargundus, we make the eyebrows and a typical bindi of Chota Bheem. After making this, we just have to make a simple nose and a big smile. Tichik too. This is his teeth, and after the teeth you are going to make the lips here. Okay, so the face of Chota Bheem is ready. After making the face, what you need to do is to make the varamala with a tabiz type hanging here. And now it's simple. Now we can take the position of our Chota Bheem, but what I am trying to do is, I had seen one in the net with the bale bale position, so I am making Bheem in the bale bale position. So this is his hands. From here, see, from his cheeks you all will go up. From here, just a small obtuse angle. I think so this is a little patlu, so let's make it a little motu. अरे मेरी पेंसिल ही ऐसे जा रही है. Let's make it a little motu. Okay, and then again from here you make 1, 2, come down. Now he has a perfect V-shaped body, so it will come down like that and take a turn. I think so this should be a little more fatter. Okay, after this is his six-pack. Okay, after making the six-pack, we have to make the bale bale position. Now to make the bale bale position, what you do is from his wrist you take a U first. This is his kada. Okay, you take a U and then you go up. Now after this you will take a turn for the thumb, and from this you will take the thumb for the small finger. Okay, you just have to go up, take a turn, come back, go up, take a turn, come back. Now after this you will take his finger up, bale bale wali, and again you will take a turn and come back. Okay, similarly what you are going to do here is also make a U, then go up, take a turn, come back, take a turn, come back. From here you take the bale bale wali ungli, and then you all can fit in the different unglis. Okay, so this is the bale bale position. Now his dhotar is very simple. Okay, let's make the dhoti of Chota Bheem. So this is his tummy. So what we will do is somewhere from here. Perfect, he's laddus, and because he eats laddus, he is just perfect ना. लड्डू खा के उसको शक्ति आती है और फिर वो दुश्मनों का खात्मा करता है, जैसे हम करते हैं ना. हम एक भी वाइट स्पॉट छोड़ते हैं क्या पेंटिंग में? नहीं छोड़ते ना. वैसे हाँ, वो भी दुश्मनों का खात्मा करता है. एंड देन वी कैन मेक हिज चप्पल्स, peculiar चप्पल्स लाइक दैट. हिज शूज है कि चप्पल है कि की हैगी मैनू मालूम नहीं हैगा. सो वी जस्ट मेकिंग इट. छोटा भीम 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 भीम. Okay, so he's looking up somewhere and doing balle balle na barle ni girdhari lal. Okay, so we will put a little bit of grass here and there and do a colorful background, and that's it. Now I will not waste time, children, in doing the sketch pen in front of you. I'll off the video do the sketch pen. Chutki baja ke, हाँ, 1 2 3. Chutki baja ke 1 2 3. Okay children, I have finished with my sketch pen part, and now I've taken few colors. Now to start, I'll start with the hair, because this hair, see here, little I have done brown and I've left a touchki of white. Now this white has to be colored brown, children. It has to be brown, and I'm using the Gande wala brown, that is the dark brown shade. Okay, now we'll start with the skin, and for the skin what we need is a skin color, and the other color which we need is the chota Gande wala brown ka chota wala bhai, that is the yellow gray color. Okay, so what we do is we put the yellow gray color here. You just have to follow wherever there is yellow gray, you just have to do yellow gray, because this is the shady part of the sun, children. So this will be yellow gray here, there will be yellow gray here. You know, when you do such cartoon figures, सिर्फ स्किन करना अच्छी बात नहीं है ना. स्किन के साथ you can do a little bit of shading of the body, so that you all know. Now upper part, okay, this upper part will be yellow gray, children. It is yellow gray color. It is if you don't have this yellow gray, you can use the buff color, which you all everyone will be having. Now for the leg part also a little bit of yellow gray here, and then it will be the skin. Now we have the skin color. Please clean your skin color before you do it, and take a little bit of white also along with your skin color, children. So what we are going to do is we are applying a little bit of white on just the opposite side of Gande yellow gray. Okay, इधर इधर इधर, मतलब ये इधर किया तो ये white इधर करना है, ये इधर किया तो white इधर करना है. ओके, ये इधर किया तो white इधर करना है. That is just to lighten the skin tone. Now what we are using is a skin tone, children. Please make sure that your skin tone is clean. Okay, after you do this, what you have to do is just see, let it go on your blacks, because we have our jadoo wala pencil, that is the charcoal pencil, which we can use. Correct, children? Now see, this shade will become light automatically. Just use your finger, or if you don't want to use your finger, you can use a toothpick to do it. Not toothpick, क्या बोलते हैं, earbud to do it. Now see his hands, हमने इस तरफ किया था. So this hand will be a little dark, and when we go here, it is going to be light. See this, we have to remove this color out little bit, do on it. Now this part will become light automatically. So keep on doing, children. दबा दबा के घसीट घसीट के, children. I am getting a little bit of impressions because I have done some painting behind, और उसका हम लोगों ने इतना दबाया था कि उसका impression इधर तक आ रहा है. निकल यार, क्या कर रहा है, अटक के बैठा है, हमको नहीं चाहिए भाई. When we post it, we are going to do the blacks. You know, now this black has become a little light, so we will darken this black with our charcoal pencil, and then we are supposed to post it. Now you can take your fluorescent yellow color, children's, if you have. If you do not have your fluorescent color, you all can use your lemon yellow color. No issues of using any such color. So the fluorescent color for his kadas and fluorescent color for his tabis. I don't know whether it is a tabis or no, but I am calling it as a tabis. I've forgotten to do a little bit of skin here and a little bit of skin here. Okay, now his dhotar. First let's make the tikku. The tikku is red. Okay, so now for his dhotar, which two colors we are going to use is the dark. This is the tomato color which we are using. So first here it will be dark. I am doing dark purposely first, and then we will khichao it with light orange. Okay, not exactly light orange, but a lighter shade than this. Now in every pleat, this side, the left hand side, has to be done darker. हे बघा असं केल्यानंतर all the ones which you have made with black are children, and you are going to use not skin color, a little more lighter shade. See, I have used this shade. This shade is even more lighter. A little lighter shade this side. What I said, dark shade this side. तो जहाँ पर ये end होता है तो light shade this side होता है. तो इधर हम लोग ने लाइट शेड कर दिया, एकदम लाइट शेड. अगर इसको इससे भी लाइट करना है तो यू ऑल कैन यूज white to lighten it. Now we are using this color and we are smudging it completely. Okay, और दबा दबा के घसीट घसीट के करना है. दुश्मनों का खात्मा करना है, जैसे हमारा छोटा भीम राजा करता है. वो भी अपना लड्डू खा के दुश्मनों का सफाया करता है ना, वैसा ही. इवन तुमको लड्डू नहीं खाया तो दूध पी के कर लेना अच्छे से कलरिंग, पर दबा दबा के घसीट घसीट के करना. ओके, नो वांगड़ू टांगड़ू टाइप्स ऑफ पेंटिंग्स. So we have, wherever you feel it has gone light, you can use the dark color to redo with the dark color so that it is more visible. Correct? After that, his shoes can be गंदे वाला brown. शूज़ है कि चप्पल है कि मोजड़ी है कि खड़ाऊँ है, मेरे को मालूम नहीं है. So our छोटा beam is ready. What we are going to do is, where is gone my pencil? See, I'm going to reborder it with this. Like, see, I'll just show you one and I'll not waste time. I will do it and I will post it. Okay, so you have to reborder the entire drawing. अच्छा, मैं उसके जीप रेड करना भूल गई हूँ. I'm so sorry. I am sorry. I am late. Traffic jam. Okay, now see. You understood? This is the taxed नहीं, tact. ये बेचारा कान बहुत वाइट दिख रहा है तो उसको भी हम लोग कर ही देते हैं. See, I'll just show you the face, then I will do this painting for the background. I am sorry madam, I am late because of traffic jam. बल्ले गिरधरीला ना, हमारा छोटा भीम क्या कर रहा है? बल्ले गिरधरीला, शवानी गिरधरीला, मेरे नाल बल्ले गिरधरीला. ऐसे ही कर रहा है ना, बल्ले गिरधरीला, शवानी गिरधरीला, मेरे नाल बल्ले गिरधरीला, शवानी गिरधरीला. मेरे को है ना, मेरा वो मार्कर है ना थोड़ा कम लिख रहा था, इसलिए मैंने इसको और कालिया कर दिया। इसकी शेंडी को भी हम लोग कालिया कर देते हैं, नो प्रॉब्लम्स एट ऑल। नाउ व्हाट वी आर गोइंग टू डू इज पेंट द कंप्लीट बैकग्राउंड। सो आई एम रेडी विथ माई पेंट्स। आई एम गोइंग टू यूज दिस sap green children and a colorful background up. So don't see my colors are in a mess. So a lot of color नहीं, बल्ले बल्ले करने का, आज डिक चिक नहीं करने का। हमारा छोटा भीम क्या कर रहा है, बल्ले बल्ले कर रहा है ना, तो हमको भी बल्ले बल्ले करने का। बल्ले नहीं, वो कौन सा गाना है यार, मेरे को याद नहीं आ रहा। कि मैं झुट बोलिया कोई ना, कि मैं मगर तो लिया कोई ना, ओए कोई ना। मेरे को भांगड़े का भी कोई गाना ही नहीं याद आ डन 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 डन। नगड़ 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 बज, नगड़ 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 बज। अचक दे सोनिए, अचक दे इंडिया। I have used blue color children up here. I've used a lot of blues. If you wish, you can do only blue color. Chalo, let's do only blue color. We'll play with different shades of blue, okay, today. See, this is a little darker shade of blue. So we'll be playing only with blue shades today. So different shades of blues for a sky today. A sky will be with different shades of blues. How many ever? अगर इसके अंदर हाथ के अंदर भी चला गया तो don't tension, children. The only thing is that what you have to be careful is if you are using your paints. Sorry, if you want to use your paints, please don't use sketch pen. Okay, don't use sketch pen if you want to use your paints. Use a marker instead. You have Jadia marker and you have Patla marker also. So whichever marker you feel you want to use, you can use it. But don't use a sketch pen. ऐसा तन्नू टीचर तुम लोगों को डरा रही है। Don't use a sketch pen. है ना? Dun 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 dun. अभी हम लोग इधर भी करते हैं, ठीक है? वापस से एक बार छोटा सा, हाँ, सॉरी। डन 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 डन। You can do the colorful background also, children, whatever you wish. If you want to do only plain one shade of blue, it's all okay. I'm playing with 3 shades. See, I have 1, 2 and 3. I'm playing with all the 3 shades. I don't know which shade I'm doing where, but you have the entire right to play with colors. चाहिए तो इधर बाद में कौवा भी बना सकते हैं हम लोग, उड़ता हुआ। Now let it dry. After it dries, I'm going to post it, okay? We have to give a little bit of time for it to dry. क्योंकि क्या होता है पता है, जब हम लोग ऐसा पेंटिंग करते हैं तो बुक ऐसे वांगड़ू 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 हो जाती है, और बुक वांगड़ू होती है तो कुछ अच्छा सा आता नहीं है, पर बाद में अच्छा सा आता है. Now the 2 finishings which I'm going to do, this is done, let it dry. After it settles I'm going to post. The only finishings which I'm going to do is with my, कौन सा पेंसिल है ये, चारकोल पेंसिल, ऐसा ऐसा ना सब फिनिशिंग करके then I will post. Can you see how it becomes dark? Can you see this? Yes. After I finish with all my this, and whenever you're buying, if you're buying this please buy the blue patti one. Please don't buy, I'll show you. Don't buy this hard patti one. This is a neutral pencil, this is soft. So please buy a soft pencil so that it goes. अगर ये ऐसा वाला खरीदेंगे ना तो घसट के भी तुम लोग थक जाओगे तो भी अच्छे से नहीं होएगा. So you have to buy the blue patti one, that is, it is soft is written. Can you see soft is written here? So if you are buying, please buy that. Bye till then and have a nice day. And after that I am going to make tirchi topi wale. I have got a demand of tirchi topi wale. So after my chota beam gets over and I post it, I am going to make tirchi topi wale. Ta-da-da, ta-da-da. Oh babu bhole bhole. Bye bye. So our beam is ready. Chota beam. Bye bye.